Hi everyone, today we're going to do a quick unboxing video with the Fanvil i32V. You'll see from the packet there we've got our model number, which is the i32V. We also have our serial number and MAC address information over here on this side. So let's open up and have a look and see what's inside the box. Right, inside the box, it's packaging, some MyFair Prox cards, a quick installation guide, mounting dimensions and instructions, mounting kit including screws and a little Allen key, and our i32V. So if we look at the i32V, we've got a camera, we've got a RFID card reader, so you can use these, bang, on that, and a single push button. And it is the Fanvil i32V.